Sometimes you have to go through the pain to get to the gains. It's out there for you to go and grab it. It's out there for you to go and have it. You could smell it. You feel the burning desire inside of you that whatever you dream of, you want it, you feel it, you know it's yours. And it is yours, chosen ones. It is yours. You just have to go get it. Leave everybody behind, then don't look back. Because if you look back, you could turn into a pillar of salt. Even in the Bible, people, you could turn into stone if you look back. You could turn into stone if you try and go back to the people that were holding you back in the first place. People that don't bring you any type of value. People that always turn your dreams into nightmares. How many of y'all been through it? I know you've been through it if you're watching to this part of the video. And guess what? It is your time to stand up, man up, woman up, and guess what? Get God in your life. Whew, and feel the passion, that he brings with the Holy Spirit, people. The Holy Spirit is inside of you. You just need to learn how to contain it, maintain it, rearrange it, use it, and then don't abuse it.